YouTube. Paul Bates. So another day in the books here. We'll call it day 7. So anyway, just a typical Sunday for us. I slept in. Me and Bev slept in a little bit. Made my video in the morning. Had breakfast. Bev always cooks a big breakfast on the weekend, so it's always exciting, and I just love it. I don't know what it is, but breakfast is one of my favorite meals. Even on keto, I just love breakfast. Now, is it the best meal for you? I don't know, but I love it. So we had a wonderful breakfast. She cooked eggs and sausage, and keto was a bad day though. I had a few beers, I'm not going to lie to you. It was horrible. But it was the last of a few beers I had left in the refrigerator, so I enjoyed them starting, let's say, from about 1 o'clock in the afternoon till all the way till the evening. Anyway, I enjoyed them. Daisy got to go for a nice long walk. I'll show you here. She went for a walk with me and Bev, so that was awesome. She loved it. And she went on a long one. Bev tried to cut it short, but me and Daisy were having nothing to do with it. We said, hey, Mama, we got to go. Nice long walk. Now, this is very important because fighting this Covid-19, I think you have to have your glass of wine. It doesn't have to be every day or anything like that, but you got to have it. We were out. So my nephew was driving through from Vegas. He heads out into the desert for weeks at a time, so he's on one of his little sabbaticals where he goes out in the desert. Anyway, he stopped at the Walmart, picked us up my wine, and so we're restocked. Woo! Can you sell? Anyway, so we have wine. Won't have to listen to Bev whine. We have wine. And a happy wife is a happy life. Just remember that. We went back over to Walmart today. It was really encouraging at Walmart because there was toilet paper in the actual stands there. I'll show you a picture of that. It was first sighting of toilet paper. That's always a good sign. I think we got a little bit further to go in this little crisis here. President Trump announced that it's going to go till April 30th. Our industry it's just hit hard. It's just one of the hardest hit industries that it could possibly be because it's going to be a long time before they're going to let people come back to that. Anyway, today and then in the afternoon we had a nice dinner. Bev cooked here. I'll show you. It's just she's a keto machine. We've been eating keto now for probably over a year. And so she's got these 4 or 5 recipes that she cooks for dinners, and she makes not massive, but a nice big pot, and it'll last us halfway through most of the week. So it's nice. Anyway, she did that yesterday. Here's a picture of what she made. Anyway, so then we finished Ozark. Horrible. I can't believe we did that, but it pretty much ended the way I thought it was going to end, and so anyway. We'll have to find a new one for next weekend. As you guys know, I'm not a big TV watcher, but I do enjoy spending some time with Beverly, and on the weekends especially, she enjoys her TV, and I like to sit there and watch it with her because it soothes her and makes her happy. And she's out working, man. She's the breadwinner right now. She's out at UPS working her little butt off, and so we try and support her and show her love and do things that make her happy. Anyway, peace out. We love you guys. Going over to MotoZoo today, so make sure you guys watch that video. I think it's going to be super cool. We're going to talk about the UV5 radios and foldedmetal.com and the brackets and do the giveaway. Daisy's going to sit that one out. Yeah, yes you are. Anyway, peace out. You guys be safe out there. Practice your social distancing. Paul Bates. Bye.